covering protector, thin conjunctiva, transparent membrane dress of a diva who covers the cornea and focuses the light received by a retina without any fight. A nutritious liquid, aqueous humor, brings what is needed to every consumer. The art spectrum of colors is named the iris, pigment regulating lights in a papyrus. It's the vision on vision, the vision on vision. Through the pupil's black circle, light passes by. The lens is wide at night and narrow at daylight. The ciliary body maintains the eye shape. No matter the distance, nothing escapes. Suspensory ligaments, fine fibers or zonules connect the last two in place, as a bone is controlling the eye's movement. Quite a great puzzle. Superior, medial, lateral, and inferior are the rectus muscles. It's the vision on vision, the vision on vision. It's the vision on vision, the vision on vision. The courageous vitreous body or chamber protects the retina as one loyal angel. The choroid acts as the eye subpoena, delivering oxygen to the outer retina. The white outer coat of the eyeball is the sclera, providing structure just like the modern era. The retina's conversion of light to the brain uses electrical signals like thunder through rain. It's the vision on vision, the vision on vision. Photoreceptors are light-sensitive cells. Rods help at night, shape of the bells. Cones help you see during the day, the vibrant colors and the sharp-looking shapes. The blind spot light not perceived in optic disc. No image detection presents a high risk. From the eye to the brain, the signals are sent. The optic nerve gives the pathway it deserves. It's the vision on vision, the vision on vision. Within the inner layers, the central retinal artery powers the eye's life, just like a battery. Small red retinal arteriole's a gem. The retina gets food through a clear viscous gel. The central retinal vein collects, directs, and drains. Retinal venules send blood to larger veins. The sharpness of small and hidden macula and color perception vision of Dracula. Deeply tiny within the fovea centralis, the sharpest details like Renfield's Fidelis. The vision on vision, the vision on vision. It's the vision on vision, the vision on vision. Vision.